excited to kick the workshop off, and also I would like to read out to you the vision. It kind of came across in the movie already, because I think it can serve a little bit as an inspiration for the entire workshop today. So, the aim of the Gagarin Project is the sustainable development of a self-sufficient community with innovative techniques, leveraging innovative techniques.
Those projects should be done successfully, in time and budget. Why? For example, because with successful project outcomes, we want to secure comprehensive long-term sustainable model of territorial development.
Everybody of you gets one dot.
Divided into the 4 groups to select one for each group.
But which one is his mother tongue?
Armenian. Has experience made in
Hungary. I'm not sure if you want to, let's say, box it in. Who joined us here?
now I challenge you.
The second one? Yeah, also. Second one, the regulation is one. But much more important is you need to take the people and explain them why they should use the regulation.
Our heritage is very important because if we reinvent, if we look back to our heritage, we can answer very many questions that are arising now or questions that will come in the future, because we can learn from our history and our heritage and go forward faster, better and more understanding. Bon appetit!
This also, this dish is also from our heritage.
Education is really important, and we came up with this education talent factory as a word that kind of summarizes what's behind that. And then we said we need to build and establish a resource unit, and that's probably also true for other areas, that teams need to be built and established.
There is a connection to the aspiration of the Gagarin Project that goes back more than 200 years actually. And that's this guy. And I'm not sure if anybody could just knows who this is just by looking at the picture. It's obviously an old picture as well. But this guy is called John Jacob Astor. John Jacob Astor is born in Walldorf near Heidelberg in the late 18th or mid 18th century.
Շատ շնորհակալություն ու բարի գալուստ 135 տարի հետո ես մեր ամեն ինչը տեսնելու։
Thank you so much and welcome again to a place where in 135 years you will see the transformation. If you make sure that 1% of your colleagues moves here, then we will make sure that they live in the best conditions and environment in a way that everyone else will want to come and join them here.
4 ժամ կաշխատենք, մնացած ժամը տենց լավ։
We will only work 4 hours.